Okay. Now, explain who you are.
My name is Sid. Actually, they call me Sid, but my real name is Alex Summers. My nickname is Sid.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 22. I drink beer now because I'm past 21.
Okay. So, tell us more about you. What do you do in life?
I'm like a crazy monkey dude. I climb trees.
No, wait. You're saying you call yourself the crazy monkey,
Yeah.
but no one gave you that name.
Yeah. More,
Okay.
I'm like a dance monkey.
Okay. So tell me, what you gonna do? What you gonna do in this eve? What you gonna show us?
I'm just going to show what I do, how I sleep, and bullshit stuff like that.
Very fascinating. You think you can get 1,000 subscribers just doing this?
I think so, like 50,000, I mean.
Why? Why do you think it's gonna be so fascinating and so interesting for me to watch?
Because I'm not sure. Hey, dude, the only thing is, dude, we are like your mother's something. Do it again. Oh, the.
Okay. So what are you gonna show us today? What are you gonna show for the YouTube?
Joel, from my name, you.
Fine, what's your name?
No, dude, stop now saying it.
Ah, damn it. Take three, start. Tell who you are.
Oh, I'm Alex Summers.
You're Alex Summers. Okay. Okay.
Like, what's wrong with your voice? You're like, what's up, I'm a big brother.
I'm trying to look cool, okay?
So, what's your spectacle asshole?
I don't wear specs.
No, you're just like,
Shut up, just tell who the hell you are.
I'm a monkey.
A freaking monkey, that's all
I'm a
you.
monkey. I'm a human who has monkey powers.
What?
Yeah, like I can show you. Like after you stop.
Okay, let's see one right now. Let's see one. Like, so this is the monkey powers?
Oh, my monkey powers. Oh, I thought you were saying.
So you're literally like, you eat bananas?
Oh yeah, I eat bananas, but first of all,
No, wait,
one nap time.
so like stupid or something?
Yeah, they're going crazy now.
You're crazy, okay. So you do funny things.
Yeah, but now I'm going to show you how I climb.
That's one crazy drop. Imagine you fell down.
I think no one answered. Should I do it again?
No. It's just too dangerous. You're too young to do that. You're only 22.
I'm 22, bitch.
I don't care. Even a 30-year-old won't do it. Damn, the sick moves. Even I also can do it.
Actually, this is my house, but I actually didn't know my house. I just come here.
So wait, you trespass.
Yeah.
What the hell are you doing?
Dancing. I'm like the crazy dance man. Now show the ground.
No, don't.
Come here, show the ground.
I already showed the ground.
Show the ground again.
Okay.
Slow.
Okay. Be careful. Okay. That's right.
So, ready?
Oh no, dude. This is too dangerous. Okay, so this guy is insane. This guy does stupid things. This guy is not perfect, but he's something. He's gonna make you laugh.
Who are you?
So please,
Plus
subscribe.
again,
Let's make good videos.
I can read dog minds.
Okay, so here we have a specific species
what's
called the
her
German
name?
Shepherd.
Come on. Oh, her name is Shino. What a fucking name is that? Whatever. Bye, dog. Stop.
So,
That's it.
when are we gonna make our video?
Huh?
When are we gonna make our video?
No.
Okay.
Isn't this the video?
No, this is just the introduction. So, okay, we're gonna start our video in a few minutes. So,
Namaste.
stay tuned, everyone. Please subscribe, like this guy, and support our channel so you can get some money. Bye.